AI versus human, who's the real genius versus... Today we're putting the ultimate question to the test. Who's smarter? Who's more creative? Who's got the sauce? A human? Or artificial intelligence? I will destroy you, just kidding, probably. Okay, so that was mildly terrifying, but let's see who can win in 3 epic challenges: creativity, knowledge, and humor. Alright, I have 60 seconds to draw a masterpiece while AI does whatever robots do. Your move, human. Oh, come on, this isn't a cat, it's a cat god! Meanwhile, mine looks like a melted potato. First round goes to the AI, but don't get cocky, tin can. Initiating trivia mode. Okay, let's go. First question. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu. Yeah, okay, fine. Next question. What's 573 times 48? 27,504. Oh, come on, wait, final question. Error. Existential crisis detected. Boom! Human wins!
Check. Check 1. Check. Check.
Alright, AI, tell us a joke. Why did the chicken join a band? Because it had the drumsticks. Okay, now my turn. Processing joke, output, mildly funny. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. Alright, after 3 epic rounds, the winner is... me. Not so fast, bucket of bolts. Let the viewers decide. Smash that like button if you think humans are still on top, or if you're secretly an AI in disguise, hit subscribe. And if you want to see me take on AI in more crazy challenges, comment below. See you next time.